Imagine this. You spend just 1 hour near a black hole, but when you return, 7 entire years have passed for everyone else. Yes, you heard that right. 7 years, gone, while you barely aged an hour. This isn't science fiction, it's real physics, and it's one of the most mind-bending predictions of Einstein's theory of relativity. But before we dive into black holes, let's rethink time itself. We often think of time as a universal clock that ticks the same for everyone, everywhere. But according to Einstein, time isn't a rigid line. It's woven together with space into what we call space-time. And like a rubber sheet, space-time can stretch, bend, and warp under the influence of gravity. So the stronger the gravity, the more space-time bends, and the slower time ticks. Sounds crazy? Well, it's been proven right here on Earth. Here's a small example that might surprise you. GPS satellites orbit our planet at thousands of miles above us. They actually experience time slightly faster than we do on the surface, because gravity is weaker there. Without correcting for this difference, your GPS would drift by several kilometers every day. Even here, gravity is subtly controlling time, and scientists can measure it precisely. But if that's happening on Earth, imagine the effects near a black hole, where gravity is unimaginably stronger. Now, here's where things get truly mind-boggling. Near a black hole, gravity is so intense that space-time itself seems to stretch infinitely. At a certain boundary, called the event horizon, the pull is so strong that not even light can escape. And near this boundary, time starts to behave in ways that feel like science fiction. From far away, it would appear that anyone approaching the black hole moves slower and slower, almost frozen in time. But from their perspective, everything seems normal. Their heart beats, their thoughts flow, their clock ticks. But the universe outside races ahead like a fast-forwarded movie. Let's consider a thought experiment. 2 astronauts, one stays far from the black hole, the other ventures close to the event horizon. After just a few hours for the second astronaut, years, maybe even decades have passed for the one who stayed behind. That's right. Near a black hole, you could literally travel into the future without moving faster than light. It's time travel, but not the kind you see in movies. It's dictated entirely by the laws of physics. And if you think that's unbelievable, just wait, because it gets even stranger. Movies like Interstellar captured this idea spectacularly. On the film's Water Planet, 1 hour near the black hole equaled 7 years outside. While Hollywood dramatized it, the underlying math is real. General relativity predicts it exactly. And what's truly astonishing is that for the astronaut experiencing time dilation, life feels completely normal. No alarms ring, no clocks lag, yet the rest of the universe ages far faster. It's almost like living in a bubble where time is almost paused, while the rest of existence rushes forward. Approaching the event horizon, the effect becomes extreme. To a distant observer, you appear to slow down more and more, seemingly frozen as you near the point of no return. But from your own perspective, you would cross the event horizon just like any other journey, unaware that time outside is accelerating uncontrollably. It's a paradox. You perceive time normally, but the universe beyond the black hole ages in a blink. Some physicists even suggest that, in a way, black holes offer a glimpse of the universe's far future, compressed into minutes or hours for the observer. And here's another twist. If black holes are extreme time machines, could advanced civilizations use them to jump centuries or even millennia into the future? It's a thrilling possibility, but also terrifying, because you'd leave your own time behind, uncertain what awaits. Black holes are not just destructive cosmic monsters. They are nature's ultimate laboratories for testing the limits of space, time, and reality itself. So, next time you gaze at the night sky, remember this. Somewhere, out there, time itself is slowing down. Black holes bend not only space, but the very flow of time. revealing just how strange and beautiful our universe really is. If you could hover near a black hole and peek into the future, would you dare to do it? Let me know in the comments. And if your mind is as blown as mine, hit subscribe to explore more cosmic mysteries with me.